Telegram actually has a built-in feature that lets you schedule messages automatically. And it's super useful for reminders, birthday wishes, work updates. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Then open the chat where you want to schedule the message. Now type out the message like you normally would. You can write anything here. A reminder, an important update, or even a simple good morning message. Once your message is ready, don't tap the send button right away. Instead, press and hold the send button for a second. A small menu will pop up on your screen. From here, tap on Schedule Message. Now choose the exact date and time you want the message to be sent automatically. Take your time here and double-check the time before confirming. After that, tap the send button below. And that's it. Telegram will automatically send the message for you at the scheduled time, even if you forget about it later. If you want to see all your scheduled messages, just tap the small calendar icon inside the chat box. From there, you can view, edit, reschedule, or delete any scheduled message whenever you want. And if you ever want to remove one, simply press and hold the scheduled message, then tap the delete icon at the top. It's a really helpful feature if you like staying organized or sending messages at the perfect time without having to remember later.